Google is the most popular search engine that people use to search for different sorts of things, as some use it to search for news, for specific facts, and others are looking to find solutions or answers. And you can actually find everything in there, for example, funny videos, animal images, tutorials, just everything. But what if I told you that you could also make money online with Google? Sounds interesting, right? There is this kind of website that will pay you to search on Google. And in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method on how you will be able to make money online just by searching on Google. And what I love the most about this method is that it's absolutely free and you don't need to invest any of your money. All you need is a computer, laptop, or smartphone and internet connection. It doesn't matter which country you're from, it's available to anyone all around the world. So make sure to not skip any parts. Watch this video until the end because every step I'll teach you is important. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Kimball, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money, you will be updated and start making money. And also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions and opinions about this video, don't be shy and leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. As Elle said earlier during this video, Elle will be teaching you a new strategy how you will be able to make money just by searching on Google, and Elle will also show you a website that will pay you a good amount of money. And you can turn this into passive income if you just do this over and over again. Don't worry, you don't have to spend 8 to 10 hours a day to do this, as it will take a few minutes of your time. And it's so easy, you don't need any special skill to get started. Now let me introduce you to the website you will be using for the new strategy that I'm about to show you. I'll need you to go to a browser and add fill in MindSumo.com. Once you're on that website, don't skip watching this video, as you're on that website, and try to figure out things on your own. Then you will get confused because you really don't know how to make money using this website. So therefore, just keep watching this video as I'll show you step by step on how to make money with MindSumo.com. MindSumo is essentially a crowdsourcing site that offers an opportunity for you to earn by solving problems. It is indeed a legit site, since you will really get paid to provide answers and solutions to challenges that real businesses and companies encounter. The only way for you to earn from MindSumo is to participate in challenges. Keep in mind that these are not physical challenges. Instead, these are real challenges experienced by real companies or businesses, and they are looking for help in finding a solution. Once you become a MindSumo solver, you can log into the member dashboard or the app. I will talk about the app later, and view all the available challenges you can participate in. You will also receive an email if there are challenges you are eligible to participate in. One thing to note about the challenges is, some will only be available for top-tier problem solvers. It will still show up in the available challenges, but if you are not a top-tier solver, you won't be able to participate in the challenge. I will discuss later how you can become a top-tier solver. Now, if you see a challenge you can participate in, just click it to see the full details. Every challenge has a deadline and a set of deliverables you need to meet. In most of the challenges that I was able to participate in, the questions you had to answer already had a set of possible answers. You just had to choose from. Then, the last part was the more challenging part because you had to explain the solution. You are offering for the challenge. Once you've submitted all the deliverables, you just have to wait for the challenge to end. When it ends, the company that posted the challenge will review all the submissions. It can take up to 2 weeks for companies to finish reviewing the solutions and decide who will receive the prize. Usually, for every challenge, there will be multiple winners. I will discuss how you will get rewarded in the next section. The one thing I can say after I've tested this site is that the challenges you will encounter will require creative solutions. So how do you get paid? Now, let's talk about how you can actually get paid. As mentioned above, to earn, your solution has to be chosen by the company that posted the challenge. For example, in the photo above, the challenge will only reward the top 25% of the submissions, and the winners will be further broken down. Only the top 5% will share the $1,000 prize. The next 7.5% will share $400, and the last 12.5% will share $200. The keyword to take note of here is share. In the example above, if the top 5% only involves 2 people, that means each one will receive $500 as a reward. If the next 7.5% involves another 2 people, each one will receive $200. And lastly, the remaining 12.5% will share the $200 prize pool. That's how the winnings of each challenge are calculated. Take note that the percentage will be determined by the company. There will be challenges where 50% of the participants will be rewarded, and there will be challenges where a smaller percentage of the participants will receive compensation. The question now is, how will you be able to withdraw your earnings if your solution gets chosen? Well, that's actually relatively simple. You will be able to withdraw your earnings via PayPal. And the good thing is, you don't need to reach a threshold to withdraw your earnings. You can withdraw your earnings anytime you want. The payment system is easy to understand, and I like the fact that the site offers PayPal as the payment option because it's one of the most convenient payment options available today. If you are looking for more sites that offer a convenient payment system, I would recommend you to check out the links in the description to earn more money. So how much money can you make? I will say right away, MindSumo pays really well. You can potentially earn hundreds of dollars if your solution gets chosen. But if you have the skills, this site can be a good source of extra income. Just don't expect that there will be a steady stream of challenges you can participate in. Plus, some challenges are only limited to top-tier solvers. To become a top-tier solver, you must provide highly rated solutions a certain number of times. They don't exactly say how many times, but they will tell you if you have reached this kind of status. As a MindSumo solver, this should be a goal, because becoming a top-tier solver means there will be more opportunities to earn. That's it for this video, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. I will see you in my next video on Make Money. Kimball.